Hi, my name is Uksun Kim. I'm a professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at Cal State Fullerton. I got my doctoral degree from Georgia Institute of Technology, and my specialty is in the area of structural engineering. I have always been interested in international collaborative research and was introduced to Professor Dong-Kwan Kim through the recommendation of one of my co-researchers in South Korea. In the case of Professor Dong-Kwan Kim, I invited him with the expectation that he could bring about significant synergy effect in terms of research and teaching in the area of the earthquake engineering. So in the high seismic Southern California region, it is crucial to develop a precise and practical earthquake-resistant building design method using advanced seismic analysis and design tools. Through his research, enormous contributions can be made to not only the building safety, but also the life safety of the building residents, especially site-specific ground motions for the different soil conditions will be proposed in this research.
So as the host faculty, what have been your main responsibilities to facilitating Dr. Dong-Kwan Kim's research?
As a host faculty, I'm trying to provide an environment where he can focus on his research and help him gain a broad experience in the United States. Through regular research meetings, I provide feedback on his research work. As a result of this activity, he submitted his research paper to the Journal of the Architectural Institute of Korea and received a positive review result.
What impact do you anticipate Dr. Dong-Kwan Kim's research will have on practical applications in earthquake engineering?
When conducting earthquake-resistant design, some researchers focus only on the behavior of buildings, while others only study input seismic ground motions depending on soil conditions. Both of these areas are very important, and Professor Dong-Kwan Kim has the relevant knowledge to integrate these areas. Therefore, I'm confident that this study will be of great help in practical applications as well as academic research in the area of earthquake engineering.
Why should other CSUF faculty consider hosting a visiting scholar?
Sure, so the research horizon can be expanded through visiting scholars. By inviting visiting scholars, positive results can be achieved that have a synergistic effect on research and teaching, and the effect of promotion our university to the world can be obtained.
My name is Dong-Kwan Kim. I'm a professor of the Architectural Engineering Department at Cheongju University in Korea. And I got my doctoral degree from Seoul National University. Before I joined Cheongju University, I worked at a structural design company, and I participated the seismic performance evaluation of the Lotte World Tower, which height is 1,819 feet. Is the tallest building in Korea and the sixth in the world. Based on the experiences, I have taught the dynamics of structures and the seismic design of buildings at Cheongju University.
What led you to join the J1 Scholar Program at CSUF?
Yes, my specialty is the soil-structure interaction during the earthquake. But the earthquake of large magnitude are very rare in Korea. In comparison, the related research is much more actively conducted in California than Korea. And also, the Professor Uksun Kim, also one of the most famous researchers. So I asked to co-worker in Korea to introduce me Professor Uksun Kim. So I was able to come here CSUF with the J1 Scholar program.
Can you share more about the research you're conducting during your visit?
Yes, for the seismic design, the seismic load of building caused by earthquake should be considered properly. and each country has defined a design response spectrum for the seismic load. But the both Korean code and the United States code do not consider the dynamic characteristics of soil deposit on the design response spectrum. So Professor Uksun Kim and I tried to find out some improvement for the seismic load of the building by the nonlinear analysis, considering those dynamic characteristics of soil deposit.
What are the primary goals that you hope to achieve through this research?
Yes, as an academic result, I submitted a research paper to Journal of the Architectural Institute of Korea, and it was accepted with good reviews. Also, I am writing a paper for Science Citation Index Journal, and I hope to submit it before the end of this visiting scholar program. Because I am a code writer in Korea, another goal is to improve the Korean building code. The improvement will enable not only the safe building design, but also the economical building design.
How has been your experience working with your host faculty, Dr. Uksun Kim?
Yes, collaborating with Professor Uksun Kim is very good. Professor Uksun Kim suggests the proper directions on the research paper, and we were able to discuss the background and differences between the United States Code and the Korean Code. The discussions was very helpful for us to develop our research and to find out another research topics. Also, we have thought how to teach young students in university together. So based on these good experiences, I will recommend this J1 Scholar program to another Korean researchers who consider visiting the United States.
What are your plans for the future after completing your research at Cal State Fullerton?
Yes, I will continue to develop this research in collaboration with Professor Uksun Kim, and also this research will be very helpful for me to teach and advise my graduate course students in Korea. And I will present this research result at an academic conference in Korea next year. And finally, personally, I am living with my family. I am trying to give to my children as many experiences as possible in the United States. I hope that the experience will be a good asset for my children. Thank you for visiting this innovation.